Hello friends. I hope you all are doing well. After making that snoring remedy video, I got many same question from many viewer. And that is we can't get sleep at night, what we can do for that? What we can do for insomnia? Sometimes I also get problem to sleep at night. When I have some work related stress or some tension at home. Or when something is really bothering me. That time it's really difficult me to sleep. And next day again you have to continue your work. For that you need at least 3 to 4 cups of coffee or chai to keep yourself fresh. So today I'll share with you a simple and very effective home remedies for insomnia. After that you will able to sleep at night like a baby. So before sharing the amazing remedy, I would like to request you all that please like, share and subscribe my channel. Your support giving me encouragement. And if you will watch my full video, then end of video I'll share one more easy and helpful tip. Remedy is about poppy seeds, which is known as khas khas also in India. Let me share with you the benefits of poppy seeds first. Poppy seeds are effective in sleep. It's known to create a calming effect. The seeds help in bringing down the stress level. Poppy seeds having plenty of calcium and potassium. Poppy seeds are also rich in magnesium. Potassium can help raise sleep efficiency. Magnesium is also proven to improve the duration of your sleep, also the quality of sleep which you get. Magnesium is also associated with a feeling of tranquility, from studies confirming that it is helpful in treating sleep problems, including insomnia. As per Ayurveda, if you take some poppy seeds in milk to enhance the benefits of the remedy. When you're consumed as a tonic rasayana, it gives you a relaxing effect on the body. It is acting on the central nervous system. The tonic puts your body in its rest mode. So basically, your body system begins to divert energy for restoring strength and refreshing you once you wake from deep sleep. And you will feel relaxed also. Now how to take it? Just take 1 glass of warm milk and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Roast the poppy seeds lightly. Now grind the seeds in the mixture grinder or with a pestle and mortar. Add the poppy seeds powder to the warm milk. Stir the mixture and drink the warm milk and poppy seed khas khas drink. If you don't like drink like this, then just take 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds and chew it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drink 1 glass of warm milk together immediately. You can drink the milk about half an hour before hitting the bed for a good night's sleep every day. The mild sedative effect of the poppy seeds will help you relax and sleep peacefully. As I said before, you will get a sleep like a baby. An Ujjayi Pranayama and Annulum Vilom Pranayama also will help you with good sleep. Now it's time for tip. Poppy seeds reduces blood pressure also, as poppy seeds contain high amount of potassium, which is very helpful in improving the blood circulation in our body. Please try this remedy and get good sleep. And let me know your experience in comment section down below. Thank you guys. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you in next video.